human is just shown in figure. Human beings like other animals take food through the mouth. This is take food through the mouth and this is processed through other food toward the esophagus is known as food pipe and then passing into the stomach and pancreas and gallbladder and small bladder and large intestine. So same things, the food taken into the mouth, we can study about the condition of mouth. Today we studying about the next step of this. So this is the next step of this esophagus, means food pipe. So from the mouth, the food pass into the esophagus or food pipe, finally reach the stomach. Finally reach the stomach. That means the food move toward the mouth, after mouth passing through, it passes through and then reach the stomach position. This is stomach. Stomach. The wall of the esophagus is relaxed and contract and repeatedly to the push of the food down. The wall of this esophagus is repeatedly food pushed downward and food move toward downside and toward the stomach. And this type of movement is called peristalsis or peristaltic movement. And after this esophagus system or after this food pipe, the food move toward the stomach. So there is the stomach. Stomach is a U-shaped organ present in the upper abdomen and the inner wall of the stomach secreted digestive juice and mucus and the hydrochloric acid. The digestive juice breaks down the protein into the simple forms. Digestive juice break down protein into their simple form while the hydrochloric acid kills the bacteria present in food. It provides the acidic medium for the action of the digestive juice. Then the mucus is help in the protecting the stomach lining and form the action of the acid. This is as shown in the figure. We know about the stomach side. Next we can know about the next step, small intestine. The nutrition of human beings like animal start through the mouth. This is step 1 and after this it is processed through the esophagus. This is known as food pipe. And next stage this is known as stomach. After stomach, this is called the small intestine and large intestine. And the outer part is known as anus. So there, next stage, small intestine. Small intestine, the partially digested food goes into highly coiled, about 7.5 meter long tube. Is called small intestine. The inner wall of the small intestine secretes intestinal juice that complete the digestion of the various components of food. It is also receive secretion from the leaves and the pancreas, liver and pancreas. The liver secretes bile juice that is stored in the gallbladder, and the pancreas secretes pancreatic juice that break down carbohydrate, fats and proteins into their simpler form. Another, this is the large intestine. The undigested food passes into the large intestine and in which the water and some salt are absorbed from the undigested food and become semi-solid. So this is called feces. The feces are stored in the rectum and pass out of the body through the anus from time to time. This is not passed through continuously, but this depends on the time basis. So this is passed out the time. Today this is the complete description of the nutrition in the human body.